Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. So today I'm so excited to finally have my wardrobe organizer completely done and full. You guys, I waited so long to put this together and the day is finally here and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is so easy to build, so functional, so customizable, and so affordable. It's holding so much of my stuff. I wish I would have had this so long ago. I'm absolutely loving it. So without further ado, let me just quit talking and let me show you guys how I put this together and everything that I put in it. I'm not completely done. I probably will have another video on this just with a little bit more of organizational pieces like bins and storage and such. So if you want to see more videos like this, more organizational videos, and give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please do, and join our YouTube family. We would love to have you a part, and turn on your post notifications if you haven't done so already. I upload about 5 to 6 times a week. All right, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So here is my DIY closet organizer and I'm so happy with it. I so needed something like this to hold all of my clothes and purses, sweaters, and shoes. This is perfect here in my office. So this is a 20 cube do-it-yourself wardrobe organizer. And what's cool about this is that you can build it fully like I did with all 20 cubes and all the rows and columns, or you can make it to where you only do 1 column or 2 columns or just 3. You can build it as high as you want it. So if you just want it to be 2 rows high or 3 rows high, you can literally make this your own to fit your space. And that is the coolest thing about this. So there are 20 cubes and 4 of them are for shoe storage, and then these are actually for hanging clothes. So you can open up all 6 of these cubes, and they're not separate, but there's a hanger up there and you can hang clothes in all 6 of these cubes. And then all the rest of them are little cubes like this, and they have dividers so that you can put sweaters or tops, purses, whatever you want in here. So not only do you have a ton of shoe storage, but you have hanging clothes storage, and then completely around the hanging area you have all of these cubes to fold sweaters and tops, purses, whatever you want in there. And building this was so easy. You basically just connect all of these plastic dividers together. Some are the actual dividers that go in between the shelves, and then the rest are the doors and then the tops and the sides. They're all so easy. They come in one box, a really compact box. These are the connectors that you use, and they're on each one of these corners like you can see here. And then you literally take this little hammer and you just knock it right into place, and you just do it for all of the cubes. It's literally the easiest and most quickest wardrobe organizer you could probably ever get. Another really cool feature about this is that they are all magnetic closures. So there's a little magnetic connector on here that you'll also receive, and you just slip these little magnets into the connectors on the front, and then the steel frame just magnetizes right to it. I am so excited for this, you guys. I have needed something like this for so long in my apartment. I just have so many clothes and not enough storage. There's just not enough storage in this place. And this is exactly what I need for literally all of my clothes and my shoes, all my bags. So I'm so excited to put everything in here and hang it all up. These are huge too. I believe they're 13 inches by 13 inches, and they can hold up to 10 pounds. And there's 20 of these cubes. There's just so much storage. So I'm gonna hang all my stuff up and put all my clothes in here. And I still can't get over that this was the most affordable thing that I could find. And you guys, I searched for a long time. I compared prices, I did my homework, and this is literally the best deal of something that I could find. You can completely customize it, and it was only 70 bucks. And I was able to get a discount code for you guys. It's $5 off, making this 65 bucks. guys, I am done for now. I have filled it up to as much as I can right now. So here I have all of my dresses and rompers, at least all of my shorter dresses and rompers. I need to get more hangers because I have way more dresses to hang up. Actually, that whole entire pile right there. I have a few more dresses over here that have to be folded. Here I have all my longer dresses, like my maxi dresses. Down here I have some sweaters, more sweaters, like my springtime sweaters, and even more sweaters. And down here I have all of my shoes. Well, not all of my shoes. I'm actually gonna get like a shoe organizing bin right here for the rest of my sandals. That way I can keep all of my shoes in one place because right now they're in like 4 places. So I'm gonna get a little bin right there. That's why that one is empty. Then moving back over to the top, here I have all of my hats. Here I have all of my smaller bags. Here I have my medium-sized bags, and here I have my weekender bags and larger tote bags. So here is the wardrobe organizer from top to bottom, full of everything. This turned out so good. There is literally so many things in here, and I still have some room to grow. I am gonna run out and grab more hangers and some more organizational pieces. I might move this around from time to time. I need to get a few more things for the top as well, like some organizing bins. But overall, I'm so happy with this. This is exactly what I needed for all my stuff in here. And I am really, really happy with the way this turned out. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more organizational videos, then let me know. I would love to do them. I love watching them, so I'd love to do them too. I'm not completely done with this, so if you want me to like fully do a organizational video for, I don't know, maybe even like my whole office, because I really haven't showed you guys that because I'm not completely done with it. This was a huge part of it, but it's getting there nonetheless. If you'd like to get your hands on this wardrobe organizer, I'll leave the link down below as well as a $5 off discount code. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I will see you tomorrow in a brand new video. Love ya. Bye.